Hello, my name is Amanda Rolls from the Watson CPA Group, and today I'm going to talk to you about the tax preparation process. We'll also be doing a podcast on this topic, so please tune in for that as it'll be a longer discussion of this process. The process starts with us opening a client portal for you, which is a cloud-based, secure online site where you can go ahead and upload your information. We use ShareFile. What information should you upload? We're going to send you a checklist of the things that we need. This commonly includes things like your driver's license, your W-2. If it's a business return, then we'll ask for financial statements, things like that. But it may also include a memory jog of things that don't always get included, stocks and bonds, if you've moved, you purchased a car, we'll give you a whole list of things. You can go ahead and send those documents to us through the client portal by uploading them as PDFs or JPEGs, sometimes Word documents. You can fax them to us. Our fax number is all over the website. You can go ahead and mail them to us, or if you're really inclined, we'd love to see you in person, so feel free to drop them off to us, and we'll scan them and give them back to you. Our admins will put all of those documents into a file, and they'll go ahead and get that file ready for the staff accountant. If we notice things that are obviously missing, such as your engagement letter, those W-2s we talked about, we'll send you a notification right away asking for that information. Once we do get that information, it moves on to your staff accountant. Your staff accountant is going to be your main point of contact throughout the tax preparation process. They'll review your file at a higher level than the admins do and ask for any financial information that may be missing. Maybe they noticed that last year you had this job, this year you have this job, things like that. They're really going to dig into your return and get it all prepared. If we have any missing information, we'll send you notifications through email, through text message, we'll call you. You don't ever have to wonder if you've given us everything because we're going to let you know. Once that return is prepared and reviewed by the staff accountant, it goes on to the tax manager or the partner in charge of your pod. The tax manager is going to go ahead and review it and make sure that everything is in order, that they didn't miss anything, sanity check it before it's sent out to you, the client. Once it goes to you, we send it to you two ways. We'll email it to you. It'll be password protected in that email. We'll also upload it to the client portal. That version will not be password protected since ShareFile itself is already secure. Our turnaround time for tax preparation once we have all your documents is typically 10 to 12 days. That is straight days, not just business days. We do work on weekends. And that includes all the way from admin down to tax manager. So just as a timeline. Once you have reviewed the return, if you have questions, if you want to go over it, if you see things that are missing, then we can schedule a review for you. These reviews can be done by phone. We can do it through GoToMeeting, which is a website where you can see the same screen that your tax manager is looking at, or we can do them in person if you're inclined to stop by. Once you have reviewed it and made sure that everything is right, that you are comfortable with the return, then we'll get your payment and your e-file authorization. We do have to have e-file authorization in writing. That's an industry standard, that's not our rule. Just saying that you are okay with the return and you do authorize us to file it. Again, you'll get notifications throughout this whole process. One of the final notifications that you'll receive will be, yes, we did get your e-file authorization, yes, we did file your return, and then finally, we received acceptance that your return was accepted by the IRS. So you'll get those by email, but we'll let you know that we got it as well. And then you are done. Thanks for watching this video. Again, I'm Amanda Rolls from the Watson CPA Group, and tune into our YouTube channel for more videos.